I guess. Pistons. Mower pistons. What do we got here? Piston rings. Timing chain tensioners, or glides, I mean. Rocker arms. Duck clips. Wrist pins. Valves and springs. Adjusters. Ooh, more piston rings. Oil pump gears. And so much more. Pile of heads. Yeah. We got gaskets, 139 QMB intake manifolds, gy6 150. Got CDIs, AC and DC coils, all 139 QMB head gasket kits, head gasket and base gasket kits, hundreds of springs for gy6, rollers, same thing with rollers, bunch of rollers and sliders up there. Bunch of springs for 50s and rollers. So got some carburetors. Those are bins full of exhaust canisters. Yep. Trying to do some inventory. Yeah. Bunch of valve seals. So, bunch of insulators, bunch of header pipes, bunch of bearings, got a bunch of alarms, bunch of shocks, bunch of axle bolts. Fuel line and some filters in here. So, lots and lots of fun stuff here in the garage today.